Hey guys, Coach Marcus here, Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome back to my currently small YouTube channel. This is going to be a big one. I now have 100 subscribers. I started with zero. Now I'm at 100 because of people like you. So spread the word about the content on this channel and let me know what you guys want to know about. But today's video is going to be another video about network marketing, which is what I do. And I just got back from vacation and it was amazing. I'll talk about that in my next video. How I felt on this vacation was different from any other vacation I've ever taken. But I have my notes right here, so I want to refer to these. But just want to talk to you guys about why network marketing is perfect for the current economy. Have you noticed this? Things are getting more expensive. Okay. Most people's income is not increasing at the same pace. Food is up, housing is increasing, insurance is increasing, both health insurance and car insurance. Energy costs are up. It's costing more to heat your home. We're about to head into the spring and summer. It's hot in some places. It's going to cost more to keep your house cool. But many people are still relying on one paycheck from one job, which is risky. Having income from a job, only a job, that's close to having no income. That's risky. In today's economy, that's becoming a very, very risky strategy. You don't want to stick to that. So, in this video, I'm going to explain why network marketing, also known as multi level marketing or MLM, may actually be one of the most practical business models for the current economic environment. It's great. I've been doing this since 2007. It's been amazing. I've been generating full-time income for several years, made millions, and I can help you guys do it if you guys want to learn about it. Now, so we're going to look at this from a logical standpoint, not hype. I don't hype things up. So point number one is the low barrier to entry compared to in starting a traditional business. So one of the biggest challenges in starting a traditional business is capital or money, right? Opening a franchise can cost $100,000 or $500,000 or more. I once bought a commercial cleaning franchise for $10,000. Not a lot of money, but not many people have $10,000 in cash just laying around, especially in our current economy. Now, small businesses, when they go to start, they require loans, investors, equipment, and employees, which are not fun. I was in management for almost 23 years. It wasn't always fun managing employees. So network marketing allows people like you and me to enter entrepreneurship without massive startup costs. Some companies you can join for zero cost. My companies, no cost to join. It's free. It's great. But most companies allow someone to start for a few $100s or even less than that. Like I said, my companies are free. That means the opportunity isn't limited to people who already have money. I did not come from a household that had money. We were a lower middle class community. My dad had not even a high school education. My mom didn't graduate high school. Not a lot of money was in my household, but I one of my goals was to build my network marketing income to the point to where it matched my salary on my job and exceeded it, which has allowed me to retire early from corporate America. That type of flexibility financially is very important, especially in our current economy. People don't have to take a huge risk to get started. Not a lot of capital, which makes it easy for people to join and get started, but also makes it easy for people to quit because there's not a lot of skin in the game. Next, leverage income, right? This is one of my favorite things. You have to realize, if you recognize that leverage income is better than linear income, you are in the right place. Linear income is where you trade your most valuable resource, which is your time, for that paycheck, meaning that you work more hours to increase your income. Leveraged income is better because that could be passive income. You build a network of people, everyone doing something small, okay, to contribute to the network. Your income goes up. That's leveraged income. Your employer is actually leveraging you. They're leveraging your time. You sell your time to your employer every day. And your coworkers do the same thing. So your employer is using leverage. That's what I like about network marketing. Now, if you stop working today, your income stops. Network marketing introduces leverage. Very important concept. Google it, look it up. So instead of earning only from your own effort, you build a customer base and a team, which is amazing. And as that network grows, your network grows, your income can grow beyond just your own hours. It's a wonderful thing, guys. So this is the same principle many industries use. For example, real estate brokerages, they have a real estate broker, they hire real estate agents, and all the agents go and sell homes, and the broker collects a fee from each agent every time they sell something. Insurance agencies, they hire insurance agents who sell insurance for that insurance company, and the insurance company collects commissions from the agents. Franchising, like McDonald's, Subway, large corporations. So the difference is that network marketing allows ordinary people to participate in that type of structure without the stress. It's amazing, guys. Number 4, distribution is the real business. You are building a distribution network, which is fun because you are using products or services you believe in, and you're sharing them with people you care about, and those people are doing the same thing. So one of the most valuable parts of any company is distribution. Okay, you have to get the products out there. You can have a great product, but if you can't get that product into the hands of customers, the business struggles. You make no money. It's terrible. Now, network marketing solves this problem through person-to-person distribution. I like to call it word-of-mouth advertising. I drink coffee. I like the coffee. I share the coffee I drink. People buy it from my website. I get paid. They drink the coffee. They like the coffee. They share the coffee. And people go to their website and buy. They get paid. And so on and so on and so on. Very simple. Much better than going to Starbucks or going to Amazon and buying a product or buying coffee at Starbucks and sharing Starbucks coffee, but Starbucks doesn't pay you. They get richer while you simply have a caffeine high. So it makes sense to get paid to buy, use, and refer products. So word of mouth advertising is amazing. People share products with people they know, and I like word of mouth advertising or word of mouth advertising as we call it, because it's always been one of the most powerful forms of marketing, because guess what? People trust you. If people like you and trust you, they are going to buy from you. That is how I have made over 7 figures part-time, because people trust me. Companies use this model because it allows them to grow without a massive advertising budget. So you're not going to see a network marketing company having billboards on the sides of the freeway and having ads on TV. They take that money and pay people like you and like me. Next, personal development, right? Your job doesn't pay you to get better. Your job pays you to do your job. That's it. But another reason network marketing works is many people focus on personal development. I've gained so many skills. My skills I learned in network marketing were transferable to my job in corporate America, and I was effective. That's why I don't have a job anymore, because I was making too much money. It's great. But many network marketing organizations teach skills like communication, leadership, goal setting, resilience, sales, and presentation skills. There's only 7 basic network marketing skills you need to master to be successful: prospecting, inviting, presenting, following up, closing, onboarding or getting people started right, and then promoting events. And most people can do that. So, but the skills I talked about: communication, leadership, goal setting, resilience, sales, presentation skills, these benefit in any career path you're on. Very transferable. So even if someone eventually moves into another business, those skills stay with them. This is cool. I'm almost done. Next point: it can be built part-time. It should be built part-time. No one wants to be a full-time network marketer. Who wants to work 8 hours a day doing a business? Not me. If I can do this in 1 hour per day, 5 days a week, that's great. So starting most businesses require a full-time commitment. Network marketing can be started part-time, which is what it's designed for. People can build it during the evenings, weekends, a few hours a day, 5 days a week. Take weekends off like I do. So this allows someone to grow their business gradually without abandoning their current income. Don't quit your job. Keep your job, right? Because that's seed money to grow your business. And guess what? If you work a job, you have prospects you work with, because I'm sure your coworkers would like more money. I'm sure your coworkers would like to have access to healthy products. Don't quit. Don't quit that job. Now, next point: technology has made it easier. Years ago, network marketing relied heavily on home meetings or hotel meetings and in-home presentations. Not anymore. Today, technology allows people to build much more efficiently. You can share information through social media. I use Facebook, I use YouTube, I use TikTok, I use Instagram, I use LinkedIn, which is fun. You can use Zoom or any type of video conferencing application, messaging apps. You can text people, online presentations that are already recorded. You simply share them with people. Digital training systems. So it's much simpler now because of technology. This has dramatically expanded the reach of the network marketing model, because you can reach people around the world. For me, I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada. I have business partners and team members and customers in Australia, in Taiwan, in the Caribbean, in Canada, in Europe, in the UK, and here in America in different states. The internet has made the world smaller. You can reach more people. But here's a quick reality check. So think about this. I want to be clear. Network marketing is not guaranteed income. I never guarantee people are going to earn any money, because I work hard. I always tell them, I don't know if you will work hard, so you might join us and not earn any money. That's the disclaimer. It's definitely not easy money at first. You're working. You build your network. You build your network. You build your network. That's how I ended up on that magazine cover. And like any business, network marketing requires effort, consistency, learning new skills, and persistence. Just like your job, you learn how to do your job. There's skills you need to learn here and mindset development, but you have to be persistent. But for people willing to develop those skills, it can be one of the lowest risk ways to enter entrepreneurship. And starting a business is great. I had one. But when you start a business, guess what? You basically bought a job. Unless you're hiring employees to do the work for you, you're doing the work, you bought that job when you have a business that requires you to show up. I didn't like that, right? So the reality is the economy's changing fast with AI and positions being eliminated and companies getting more streamlined and not hiring people. Network marketing makes sense. So relying on one source of income is becoming increasingly risky. Your job can be eliminated like mine was 6 months ago. Many people are looking for ways to diversify their income, build flexibility, and create long-term financial stability. We have it. This business model is great. Network marketing offers a pathway for people like you to explore entrepreneurship without the massive financial barriers of traditional businesses. Not a big capital outlay. And that's why so many people are taking a serious look at network marketing today. It's great. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe for more practical discussions on network marketing, business systems, and building leveraged income, which is wonderful. Leveraged passive income, residual income is amazing. Once you start earning it, you're going to want more of it. I'm telling you. And I want to hear your thoughts, right? So do you think network marketing is more relevant today than it was 10, 20 years ago? Let me know in the comments. But do me a favor, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Always remember this. God does not want you sick. God does not want you broke. He wants you healthy. He wants you prosperous. He wants you wealthy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.